Okay, number 5 here, we're talking about this underlined portion right here, right? And we want to know if that's, again, good where it is or if it should be changed in any way. So, what's the sentence? In 2010, at least 18.5 million ebooks were available for them to circulate. Okay, so the problem here is what is it? Who's them, right? At least 18.5 million ebooks were available for them to circulate. For them being for who, right? There's no previously mentioned them that this can be referring to. So this is definitely wrong. So it's not going to be A. Let's see the other options. Option B says to be circulated by them. Again, this runs into the exact same issue because there's nobody mentioned previously that can be referred to by them. So because of that, we can't have this. It doesn't make sense. C, for their circulating. This one doesn't make sense because if we're talking about for their circulating, there's a multitude of issues here, but I think the most blaring one to point out is just that it should be for their circulation, right? Just like you can't have, um, you know, for their eating, it should be for their meal or something like that, right? You should have for their and then some sort of noun. So that leaves us with D, and if you plug it in and read it through, it makes sense because we're saying that in 2010, at least 18.5 million ebooks were available for circulation. So these things were available for something else that is a noun, a process.